When you thought the future couldn't be any cooler, it did. We're going to see an entire generation make use of robotics, smart devices, and many other technical things. So get ready to be shocked by these 15 technologies that are going to change the world. Kawasaki Koro. Starting with a motorcycle that's got 4 robotic legs instead of, you guessed it right, wheels. This is Kawasaki Koro, the future of motorcycles, released at the Osaka Expo in 2025. It moves just like any other living creature, and might as well just blend in with humans in the future. But it's more as if we had advanced abilities just like Kawasaki Koro that can tackle rocky paths, grass, and walk with ease. It's got a 150cc advanced hydrogen engine, making it powerful and friendly to the environment. When you control Kawasaki Koro, it feels like you're riding a horse because you use natural movements. Such a motorcycle suggests that the world of personal travel is going to change entirely. Gone are the days of riding your old rusty bikes. It's time for a cool upgrade. IntBall 2. Now, what if I tell you there's a device that can travel inside space and actually bring meaningful insights for scientists? That's IntBall 2 for you guys. We all know space is huge, and astronauts have to spend a lot of time up there in isolation. But through this floating camera robot, it's going to save them a lot of time and tasks. This camera can autonomously take photos and videos with precision. It can avoid collisions while gathering data from its surroundings. Plus, this isn't just a camera. Through this type of tech, scientists plan to test the platforms for new software and experiments. So this little guy here is making space missions smarter and better. And who knows, future space explorers might start sending their selfies with the help of this floating camera. Unitree's G1. Remember how robots used to be so stiff all the time? Well, they don't have to be anymore because we've got proof right here. It's Unitree's G1, a robot that's 1.3 meters tall, weighs around 35 kilograms, and moves with impressive flexibility. It can run, walk, and do side flips just like any acrobat does. But how does it manage to move with such flexibility? The answer is simple. Unitree's G1 has 23 degrees of freedom in its joints, which lets it move freely. With advanced sensors, it has 360-degree awareness, which means it sees everything around it with depth and environmental cameras. This robot has 3 fingers, making it perfect for grabbing and manipulating objects. Unitree also runs on a battery that keeps it powered for 2 hours straight, and it costs $16,000, making it perfect to help researchers and tech experts. Dive XL. Just like we talked about space exploration, now it's time to discuss the mysteries hidden beneath the ocean. And yes, it's possible through Dive XL, the massive autonomous underwater vehicle perfect for missions deep inside the ocean. It can carry heavy tools and equipment, making it an impressive source of gathering information related to the ocean. Think about it. We've always fantasized about the ocean and just what's inside it. Now may be the time to find answers to these questions. What makes it truly impressive, though, is its all-electric nature that helps to stay underwater for longer periods. This means you can cover secret operations and lengthy missions. It's got a modular design, which makes it easier to transport and launch from different ships and even docks. Drive XL is a game-changer for military use and ocean exploration. Lab-grown meat. This one's a game-changer for foodies. It's lab-grown meat. Yep, you heard that one right. Lab-grown meat is basically cultured meat that's made when you grow animal cells inside a controlled environment without slaughtering animals, and it results in a meat that tastes more accurate than your normal meat. The best part is, this process is completely cruelty-free. This meat also lowers emissions from the greenhouse and uses way fewer resources. This means large global populations can be fed sustainably. And just in case, if humans run out of food someday, lab-grown meat can help big time. Major food companies and governments are rushing to invest in this technology, so soon this ethical green meat might be inside your grocery drawers. Clear space. With tons of experiments taking place up there, the space is getting crowded. Have you ever wondered how many satellites are in space? To tell you, there are currently 14,000 active satellites in space, but there's a lot of debris too. This debris can pose many risks to spacecraft and satellites. Swiss startup ClearSpace is planning to lead the mission to clean up all the cosmic mess, and honestly, it's tough. But with the help of ClearSpace, they've got it all figured out. For starters, they're planning to target an old rocket part named the Vega Secondary Payload Adapter, then they'll go for Proba Satellite 1. Even the Swiss watchmaker plans to dive into this project and support their mission. So, ClearSpace is set to make its debut in 2026 on a Vega C rocket, and we are super excited for it. Boeing's Recoverable Launch Booster. Before SpaceX, Boeing was everyone's beacon of light and hope. They dreamt of reusable rockets, and in the 1960s, they created a launch booster. This was a rocket that could fly back to Earth and land on a runway for its reuse. It was a mix of powerful rocket engines and turbo engines that enabled a safe and controlled return. Let's be honest, if you're in space, you need control. You need to know where you're headed, right? But Boeing could never make it off the paper or into the sky because it lacked shifting priorities and technical limits. Today, it serves as a foundation for reusable rockets. And it doesn't change the fact that Boeing came up with the vision of reusable rockets, Kawasaki Alice System. Kawasaki Alice System is the mind-blowing technology that's going to change your traveling system entirely. You don't have to get out of it, and in fact, it fits up to 4 people, making for smooth and easy travel. Alice will be shown for the first time at the Osaka Expo, and its goal is to make travel easier by going green. The goal is to connect different types of transportation in a much cleaner and eco-friendly way. This is the future of traveling. Alice will help you contribute to the wellness of the environment with its hydrogen-powered cabins and zero emissions. Aria Gen 2. Next, we're talking about the future of content creation. How often do you record yourself and your surroundings only to find out you're missing out on different experiences? Well, say bye-bye to this hassle because content creation has taken a huge leap with Meta's Aria Gen 2. These glasses are packed with multiple cameras, microphones, trackers, and sensors that help you understand your surroundings. They even have a heart rate monitor and a contact microphone that adjusts according to the user. It comes with an on-device AI for speech recognition, hand tracking, and mapping the environment surrounding you. Aria isn't your ordinary gadget. It perfectly mixes biology with technology, and that's exactly what makes it stand out, and many people are shifting to this change. Airnova airships. Now, forget the airships from the past. Things have changed a lot since last year. The next-gen airships are full of high technology and quality materials, which means airships can fly longer, all year round if that's what you want. They're rigid and come with many mooring systems. These Airnova airships can easily land on tiny pads or even water, which makes them extremely flexible. What makes them even more exciting is the fact that they are eco-friendly. Most of the world is shifting towards eco-friendly products, and maybe that's the future. Anyhow, Aeronova is going to change the world of travel in everything, whether it's logistics or tourism, by blending technology and efficiency. So those airships from the past are going to make a comeback, but in a cooler and smarter way. SW-51 Mustang. You can look forward to the SW-51 Mustang, the ultralight aircraft inspired by the WW-2P-51 Mustang. It's 70% larger in size as compared to its OG version, but it's full of high-end tech, including things like a carbon fiber body, retractable gear, and a glass cockpit. It's powered by a turbocharged Rotax 916's engine, which makes it climb fast and cruise at 216 knots. It even recreates the iconic Merlin engine sound. This aircraft blends history with high-end technology, giving the pilot a thrilling flying experience. But it's not just about the looks and speed. It has a lot to offer, including agile flight experience, which is absolutely perfect for professionals and enthusiasts driven by an adrenaline rush. So whether you're over mountains or cruising the coast, the SW-51 Mustang promises to deliver you an unforgettable experience. Mars Sample Return. It's time to talk about NASA and ESA's Mars Simple Return mission. They're planning to take a giant leap for space exploration. The plan is to bring rock and soil samples from all the way to Mars back to Earth for a detailed study. The Perseverance rover collects the samples, then a lander will launch them into Martian orbit, and another spacecraft will capture them, and boom, return to Earth. This mission could literally reveal if any life ever existed on Mars. And sure, these devices are expensive and cost around $10 billion. It's still under development, but if made, it would be a massive step in understanding our place in the world. Blue Walker 3 Satellite. EST Space Mobile wants to end the no-signal zones forever by creating a space-based cellular broadband network. Their Blue Walker 3 satellite has a massive antenna, about 693 square feet, that connects it directly to smartphones without any extra hardware. It's already making history with the first 5G call from space. They're also teaming up with big players like AT&T and Vodafone to bring high-speed mobile coverage even to the remotest areas of the planet. So you'll be able to chat and stream even while on a plane or in the middle of the ocean. Smart Swim. Another thing that just got updated is swimming. Let's talk about Smart Swim 2 goggles. These goggles are nothing like your average goggles, but they project your distance, time, and heart rate right into your line of sight, so you never need to stop and check a watch. They're completely comfy with improved seals and include a built-in heart rate monitor on the strap. It's even compatible with iOS and Android, so you can sync workouts to apps like Strava. This completely transforms your swimming experience and improves your overall training. Neo Gamma. Neo Gamma by 1X Technologies is actually a humanoid robot that's designed to help around the house. It's perfect for housekeepers, wives, and even house husbands. It wears a soft, stretchy nylon suit and moves like a real person, which makes it safe and quiet. It's powered by a smart AI, Neo Gamma, that can predict what you're going to do next and act accordingly. It's set for home tests in 2025 with a price of around $20,000 to $30,000. This robot could soon change how we think about home help by blending tech and humanity. And that's it, guys. The 15 technologies that will change the world. What do you think about these innovations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.